Fall is here, and it's the perfect time to design seasonal invitations that stand out. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fall birthday party invitation using a ready-made design in Templett. Let's start by choosing our template. The best part about Templett is that you don't have to design from scratch. There are so many designs you can use as a base. I'll pick this one. The first thing I'm doing is activating the bleed guide. To do that, click on File, Settings, Show Bleed. If you want to make sure your designs print correctly without any white edges, always keep the artwork extended into the bleed area. Now, I'll remove the current illustration since we're switching to a fall theme. Next, I'll duplicate Olivia and replace the text with birthday. Then I'll add a new text box, type party. And now, swap the font to Chonburi for a bold, fun look. Under our new heading, I'll move this text, center it, and tweak it so it says, "Please join us to celebrate." For the name, I'll also center it and change it to Olivia St. James. It just flows better with this layout. I'll delete 15th birthday since we don't need it, and then move the rest of the details so everything sits neatly centered. Now let's add the fall vibe. I'll head to Elements, Illustrations, type Autumn, and scroll through the options. I'm thinking of adding some autumn leaves to the bottom of the design. Let's try this one. I'll move them around, adjust the placement, and yes, this is the one. It ties the whole theme together perfectly. To finish, I'll change a few text colors so they match the autumn illustration. Look how cohesive it looks now. Always give your design a final look to make sure everything is aligned and balanced before you're done. We've just created a cozy fall birthday party invitation in just a few steps. So easy and fast, right? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials to help you design and sell templates. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you soon with another design.